Welcome back, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Finally feeling a little more like springtime out there yesterday. Temperatures in the 70s. We're going to see more of the same as we head into later this afternoon. Perfect spring-like weather out there. Plenty of sunshine, but it's going to be a different story by tomorrow. Talk about that in just a second. But as of right now, a cold front that brought us all those changes yesterday has now stalled off to our south, bringing some strong to severe storms in portions of eastern Texas. They're also dealing with major flooding issues as this stall boundary is going to hang out as we head into the next day or so. But as for us, across the South Plains, looking good. On our Overton sky cam, plenty of blue sky and sunshine, but a little bit of that moisture has already begun to work into our far southern counties. But our temperatures are still warming up nicely, low to mid 60s, 61 in Plainview, 62 in Floydada, 64 for us here in Lubbock. Still in the upper 50s up to the north and the northwest, but still can't complain too much with the winds have now shifted out of the east and the southeast, picking up in speed just a bit, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour for most of us. That's continuing to work in more of that moisture for us. So what we're expecting as this moisture builds in, especially by later this evening and tonight, that's when we're going to see more of the cloud cover and dew points by tomorrow morning, probably in the 50s and 60s. But that's good news for our rain chances. They're still looking very promising for tomorrow and Thursday as well. Now, some of these storms that develop could potentially be on the stronger side, producing some locally heavy rainfall in spots over the next couple of days. But for this afternoon, enjoying the dry conditions, the sunshine. But by later this evening, with those winds out of the southeast, we'll continue to see that surface moisture stream in and really see it push in by the overnight hours and early tomorrow morning. Overcast skies for all of us by the time you're waking up and heading out the door. And models have really backed off on picking up on the isolated shower activity, but I still want to keep it in the forecast for your morning commute. Most of us will stay dry, but still an isolated shower is possible. The main event won't come until we head into the second half of tomorrow. Late afternoon, early evening is when these storms are really going to begin to fire up, and that activity continuing into the overnight hours. Some of these storms on the strong to severe side. This forecast model by Thursday morning showing dry conditions, but I'm still thinking we will have some storms and showers hanging around for at least the first half of your Thursday. That severe threat still marginal, so the lowest end of the severe threat, but it's still there, and we want to mention the potential some of these storms could produce the gusty winds as well as small to large hail. Can't rule that out either. As for rain totals as we head throughout the next couple of days, anywhere from a half an inch to nearly 2 inches in some spots, especially off into the rolling plains. So looking at some pretty good rain totals up ahead as we finish out your work week, but staying dry today, mid 70s overnight. That's when I'm putting in the 10% chance for an isolated shower. Nothing substantial. Most of us staying dry. Like I mentioned, the main storm activity will not arrive until the second half of the day tomorrow through the overnight hours and the first half of Thursday. Temperatures are going to be a lot cooler as well. And then finally, we'll begin to warm up by the weekend.
But rain chance